You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Oppo is gearing up to launch its Find X5 series. The series leak has been making headlines for a while now, giving us a rough idea of what to expect from the upcoming smartphones. Previously, we came across the live images and specifications of the handsets. And now, a new leak has surfaced online that reveals everything there is to know about Oppo Find X5 Pro. German publication WinFuture has published the alleged renders and specifications of the Oppo Find X5 Pro. As per the renders, the phone will flaunt a punch-hole display and triple rear cameras. While the Reno X5 Pro specifications are expected to include a Hasselblad camera and Qualcomm's latest flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Let's have a look at what the Oppo Find X5 Pro has in store for us. The renders reveal the design of the Oppo Find X5 Pro in full glory. The phone can be seen with a punch-hole display that bears almost no bezels and curved edges on the sides. Around the back, the handset seems to pack a triple camera setup on a somewhat unorthodox shaped camera island protruding from the body a little. The camera island also has powered by Mari silicon etched between the sensors. The volume rocker and power button are housed on the left and right edges respectively, while the USB Type-C is sandwiched in between the speaker grille and SIM slot at the bottom edge of the Oppo Find X5 Pro. As for the specifications, the Oppo Find X5 Pro will reportedly flaunt a 6.7-inch LTPO 2.0 AMOLED 2K display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 3216 x 1440 pixels resolution, and 526 ppi. The display is said to support 10-bit HDR+ and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The phone is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's latest flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core chipset paired with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. The handset could run on Android 12-based Color OS 12.1. In optics, the Find X5 Pro could come with Hasselblad triple rear cameras, powered by Mari Silicon NPU. The setup may include a 50MP Sony primary camera, a 50MP Sony ultrawide lens, and a 13MP Samsung telephoto sensor. Up front, the handset could sport a 32MP Sony selfie shooter. Oppo Find X5 Pro packs a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. Oppo is expected to take the wraps off the Oppo Find X5 Pro at MWC 2022, which is scheduled to start from February 28. The handset could come in 3 color options: ceramic black, ceramic white, and purple, and around €1,200 price tag. That's the news we have got today. So as usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you in another video.